Hey beauties, welcome to today's video. My hair is not done, my makeup is not done. I'm wearing this baggy Rolling Stones hoodie. It's cold outside, fall is here, and that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to take you guys along with me to shop my stash and set up my everyday makeup drawer. So let's just hop into it. Up first we have powders and primers. I don't know what I want to use for primers. I'm definitely going to pull out my Becca under eye because that's just a must-have for me, and this is a new one that I opened as a backup. This one by Lorac, the Light Source 3-in-1 Illuminating Primer. I just recently got this in my collection, so I do want to play with it. It's in dusk. It looks beautiful. Also, this Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. I really haven't played with it too much, so I'm going to pull that one out. And then for a smoothing primer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams. I think that's enough primers. For powders, I'm almost done with this Becca under eye setting powder, so I'm going to pull that out, see if I can't use it up. I'm also going to pull out this one from Huda Beauty in Pound Cake because it has been a hot minute since I've used it. Gotta use that some more. And then one more. I want to use this by Terry palette some more. It is the Hyaluronic Hydra Powder in number 1, fair to medium. There she is. There's 4 colors in there. I really like this palette. So that is for powders and primers. Let's move this. Skincare. Ooh, what do I want to use? I want to use the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. This is just a little one that I have, but I really haven't used much of it, and it smells amazing. So I'm going to pull that. I'm also going to pull the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops because that's just really pretty. Because it's that time of the year, I'm going to pull out my QMS lip line corrector. This is a lip serum, and this time of year my lips get really dry. So I'm going to pull that out. And this I'm also going to pull out from Skin, the Antioxidant Energizing Essence. Oh, I think I want this too, because I've been loving this. This is the Kors Poreless Skin Cream. Oh, it is so good. Alright, so now I have blush and bronzer. Let's see, I want to play with these Pixie blushes a little more. For fall, I'm going to pull out this Juicy one, and then also the one in Ruby. I'm also going to pull out this Melt Cosmetics cream blush in Sandy Cheeks because it's a beautiful fall shade. So there's some powder blushes. I'm going to pull out this one from Buxom. It's been a while since I used it. It is the Wanderlust Primer Infused Blush in Mykonos. It is so pretty. And this one from Laura Mercier in Grapefruit. What color is this? I feel like this is going to be really pretty for fall, so I'm going to pull that one out as well. For bronzers, I'm going to pull out my Rare Beauty contour stick. As well as the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer. Do you guys remember this bronzer? Oh, It was so beautiful. I think that's it for this drawer. What is this? Laura Geller. I have not used this in so long. Tropic Hues is the shade. Let me open that. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna pull this one out too because it's so pretty. And another bronzer I'm going to pull out. No. The Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Beautiful Skin Sunkissed Glow Bronzer. This is another beautiful cream bronzer, and I just don't use it enough. So I'm going to make sure that gets used. Highlighters. I'm going to pull out the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. This one, Ray Ryder from Kaleidos Cosmetics. Oh no! Okay, we have an issue. When I opened this, it all fell apart. That is really sad. I'm going to repress that and use it. So I'm going to pull that one out and set it aside so I can repress it. And Champagne Pop. Oh my goodness, what is going on with all of my highlighters? For some reason, they are all busted. So I'm going to repress that and pull that one as well. Also this one. Pat McGrath, the Bridgerton. This is the, I don't know, this is like the silver one. Oh, thank goodness that one's not broken. What's in here? I just have some face palettes in here. I don't really want anything from that right now. For foundations, I'm going to pull the Rare Beauty. Both of these Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch concealers. One's in shade 4, one's in 6. I'm pulling those. Also this one, the Kat Von D Good Apple Concealer. I really haven't used it enough, so I'm going to pull that one out. For foundations, what's another one I want? I'm going to pull out the CoverGirl Outlast. I'm pulling both shades because one's too light, one's too dark. I mix them together. And the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. I'm going to pull that one too because I have not used this in so long. Eyebrow products. I'm going to pull out the Air Brow by Kosas because I really like that. I also want to try out the iconic Brow Silk, the wax, because I really haven't used it much. And I'm going to play with the NYX, the brow glue, a little bit more and see if I can't make it work for me. If I can't, then I might just declutter that. I also might pull out the Anastasia, what is this, Dip Brow, because I have not touched that in a hot minute either. Ooh, also these, what is this? From Tarte. This was like those old school, beautiful, shimmery shades. I'm going to pull this out. It's in the shade Frosé. I think it's going to be really pretty for fall. This one from Ace Beauté too. Look at that color. I'm going to pull those out. In here we have face palettes. I want to pull this highlighter palette out from Beauty Bakery because I haven't played with it much, but I think the colors are really pretty. As well as this old goodie from Tarte, the Park Ave Princess Bronzing Palette. Oh, you guys, this was like my OG for so long. I'm going to use it. And then in this bottom one, we just have products that are unopened, untouched. I don't know if there's anything in here I really want to open up and use yet. No. So far, this is what we have pulled. For mascara, I have them in these little Oogie Boogie and Jack Skellington cups. I'm going to pull out the Patrick Ta mascara, as well as a Big Papa from Wet n Wild, because I do really like that one. And this Fenty Beauty one I want to pull as well. Over here we have some extra brow products. I'm going to pull out my Precisely My Brow Pencil. What is this? The Real Her Definer Brow Pencil. I'm going to pull that as well. So in here I just have like different lipsticks, all my lip liners. Those are going to stay in there. Ooh, eye primers. I'm going to pull out this one. This, what is this? Moonlit Primed for the Night eye primer, because I haven't used it yet. And this one I have not used in a hot minute. The Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, Anti-Aging. So I'm going to pull that one out as well. That's just eyeliners, different contacts. Alright, so fall. This is screaming fall for me. I haven't even used it yet. What one is this? This is in Peak from Natasha Denona. As well as this one. What one is this? This is the Cranberry Palette. I'm going to pull that one as well because I don't use these nearly enough. Alright you guys, now it's eyeshadow palette time. We are looking for ones that like scream fall. Ooh, Subculture from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This, a lot of people didn't like this. I loved this palette and I haven't played with it in so long. The colors are so beautiful and grungy and they are fall. This Mary Jane from Melt Cosmetics. I didn't play with it all that much. You know, it was a little more difficult to work with, but maybe I just didn't figure out the trick to it. So I would like to play with that one some more. Ooh. And this one from Melt Cosmetics. What one is this? This is the Amore Mariposa palette, and it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I have anything in here I want to pull out? No. Maybe this one from Ace Beauté. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm going to pull this one out too because those shades are gorgeous. Nothing from that one. You guys, I think it's time to do like a declutter and I don't know, organization video. This one, no, this one. The Natasha Denona Zendo palette. This is another one that I really just have not used much since I got it. And she deserves more love because look at those colors. One more because I just go big. The Rose Quartz Huda Beauty. For those days where I want more of just like a toned down light easy, everyday kind of look, I want to use this one. In here, I just have extra products that I haven't really used yet. Oh, this setting spray. I really want to pull this out and use this. It is the Mario Batiscule Chamomile and Lavender with Aloe spray. And here is lipsticks, which I know I want this Charlotte Tilbury one out. It's such a pretty shade. Also, my Pat McGrath lip gloss in, what is this? Bronze Temptation. And the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat. This is in the shade Hot Cherry. And of course, you know, I'm pulling out my Tower 28 lip jelly. This one is in Oat. Another lip color. Ooh, what is this one here from Huda Beauty? Looks like a really pretty fall color. What color is that? Baby Face. I'm gonna pull that one out. Here is an empty drawer, and this is just like extra stuff. Over here we have more setting sprays. I'm going to pull out the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray from Hourglass. And this little Smashbox Photo Finish Revitalize 8-in-1 Primer Essence. I'm going to pull that as well. Now we're just going to organize it into these 3 drawers so that it's just there. We're going to start down here with the skincare basket. Sorry, that was not in focus. I just put these things in with the skincare. I'll show you up close after we're done. The second drawer, and that is going to be bronzers, blushes, and highlights. All right, now that it's done, I'll show you. Here I have my primers, eye primers, face primers, mascaras, concealers, powders, foundations. Here I have blushes, bronzers, eyebrow products, lips. I've got highlighters, and once I press these, they'll be sitting up in here. Then I've got my face palettes. And down here, I have the eyeshadow palettes I want to use for fall, my skincare, and setting sprays.